Migao machoko osuru e pacho ka endi KRA koro yango ni gionge kod teko e chik mar rucho gope mag kembe sukari nigo seche ma piny owacho chako chenro matemo chiero kembe go ahinya to ketogi e lwet ji giwegi. Commissioners mag KRA kawuono ochopo e nyim jood bura mag komiti ariyo ma nono wach chiero kembe kama ne giyango chik mar Finance Act to omiyogi teko mar ketho gopego. Ne ginyiso jood bura ni kembego ni kod gowi ma osuru maromo bilion 36.7 duto kaka mar Mumias nigi gowi mar shillings bilion 20.2, Nzoia bilion 7.2, Muhoroni 3.2, Soni bilion 3.2, Chemelil bilion 2.8 kod Miwani bilion 2.1.
And also this provision empowered the Commissioner with the prior approval of the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury and Planning to write off tax debts or debt where Commissioner determines that A, it was impossible to recover an unpaid tax, B, undue difficulty or expense in the recovery of unpaid tax, C, hardship or iniquity in relation to the recovery of an unpaid tax, and 4, there is any other reason occasioning inability to recover. This particular provision has since been repealed by the Finance Act 2023. What that then means is that the window to write off such debt no longer exists for either the Commissioner or the Cabinet. So, Chair, not quite with the position we take because I wouldn't speak for the National Treasury, but that could be an available window.
Kawadhi kadhoad na mchumbi odiochieng' mar ariyo bang' show ma Mombasa